Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious, creamy stovetop shell pasta that comes out amazing. Perfect for the holidays. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing shell pasta, nice and creamy and delicious. These are the ingredients. I have butter, salt, all-purpose flour, parsley, sour cream with no salt, Mexican blend cheese, and of course the star, the pasta shells. This is everything we need to make this amazing pasta. Make it at home. Enjoy it with your family. So let's get started. I have the water already boiling. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and I'm adding my salt. Right after I am adding my shell pasta. I'm gonna cook it for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna mix it so it doesn't stick to the bottom or stick to each other. After the 5 minutes, this pasta will be nice and al dente. You don't want to overcook your pasta. Once it starts boiling just like that, check it and make sure that it's still al dente. Please don't overcook the pasta. The pasta is gonna get completely cooked when you add it to the creamy, delicious sauce that you are going to make. Well, here I'm going to reserve 1 whole cup of the liquid of the pasta. I am going to reserve it because that's what I'm going to use to make the amazing and creamy cheesy sauce for this amazing shell pasta. Look at this. I drained all the water and I am going to leave it here, and let's start making this amazing and creamy cheesy sauce. I'm adding my butter. When the butter is nice and melted, I am going to add the all-purpose flour. I'm going to cook it for about 4 minutes, making sure that I cook it very well. After this is cooked, I am going to add the sour cream. I'm just going to incorporate it. Once everything is nice and incorporated, I'm going to start adding a little bit at a time of the liquid we have reserved until I add everything in here. I'm just gonna mix it. I'm going to go ahead and add my salt. Remember that the salt is to taste. So I'm just gonna incorporate it very well. And now I am ready to add the cheese. Of course, add as little or as much as you want. In the description box, you will have all the measurements of all the ingredients I use. I'm adding my parsley and I'm just going to go ahead and incorporate everything in here. Look at this. It's already getting nice and creamy, nice and thick. Okay, once this is boiling for at least 2 to 3 minutes, now is the time to add the shell pasta. Add any kind of pasta you have at home. Okay, I have shell pasta and that's what I'm going to use to make this amazing and delicious pasta at home. This pasta, you could use it for your Thanksgiving dinner, for your Christmas dinner, or even for New Year's. It really comes out that delicious and amazing. Once you incorporate everything in here, just cook it for another 2 minutes and then this will be done. Look at this. It's really nice and creamy. The pasta is not overcooked. It's just perfect. And of course, once this is done, I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to start putting it in a plate. And as you know, I am very generous with the cheese. Now I'm ready to go ahead and pour it onto a plate. As you could see, the pasta absorbed all those amazing flavors. It's not too liquidy, but it's just perfection made at home. Look at this. Look how amazing and thick this pasta looks. The sauce is just the right amount of the sauce, nice and creamy. And of course, I'm adding just a sprinkle of the cheese on the top. The pasta is really hot, so I know that the cheese is gonna melt perfectly. Of course, I have a bowl here that I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna add all my pasta in here, and I am going to be ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. My home smells amazing, and I am sure this pasta tastes delicious. I'm adding a little bit of cheese on the top, and now I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing shell creamy pasta made at home with lots of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. This pasta is perfect for Thanksgiving dinner, for Christmas, for New Year's. You decide with what you want to enjoy this amazing and delicious creamy pasta. Excuse me, I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. It's still al dente. It's really creamy and cheesy. This is just perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You make it at home and you enjoy it for this holiday. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Happy holidays. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon on my next amazing recipe.